everyone. Welcome to Jadis Arts Academy. My name is Mavic Squats. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create powerful links using anchor tags. Now, an anchor tag defines a hyperlink. A hyperlink is also known as a link. Is a link that is a digital reference to data that a user can follow or be guided by clicking or tapping. As you can see here, it could be an icon, it could be a graphic, or a text that links to another file or object. So I've created one over here, and these are just a few of the links that we can create. Now, an anchor tag has an attribute which is the hrefs, and that hrefs is what actually enables the anchor tag to be able to link to another file. Without the href attribute, the anchor tag will be nothing more than a placeholder, and it indicates the link's destination. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the anchor tag to link email address and how to open a link in a new browser. And you're going to see how to do so. When we click on it, it takes us to another page, and when I clicked on the send email, it was able to load my email address, and this is a very good feature that you can use in your website. So watch the end and learn how to create powerful links using the anchor tag. So the first one we're going to do is to link our email address. So I'm going to write a comment, and then I write how to link an email address. And we'll save it. And when we refresh it in our page, we won't see it because it's in comments. And the first one that we're going to write now is, we're going to use the H1, how to link an email address. So I'm going to show you how to do that. hrefs. Now we'll write mail to. I'm going to use the email address of Jadis Arts Academy. Then you close the anchor tag and then the H1. Then when I refresh it, okay, then I'll write in here, send us, we can just shorten it to send email. So when we refresh it, we'll see it, send email. And when I click on it, it takes me to the mail outlook of this computer, because it assumes that I want to send an email to the Jadis Arts Academy email address. And it's the hrefs that helps us to be able to link the email address. Without the hrefs, it would be more like this. I'm going to use H2, then I'll add the A, then I'll say follow us, then I'll close the A tag, the anchor tag, and then I'll close the headings. Then when I refresh it, it will be nothing more than a placeholder, like I said. So the hrefs is what helps us to be able to link to a file or object. And as you can see, I used a link. So when I click on the send email, it takes us to the Outlook here. So I can write an email to Jadis Arts Academy. So you can use this to write an email to any email address that you've written in here. And the purpose of this linking of an email address is if you want to create a website like a restaurant website or a blog website, and you say, send us an email. Do you want more information? Send us an email. Now that send us an email, when the person clicks on it, instead of having to write your email address and the person will have to go to a mail like the Outlook or Gmail, this linking helps the person to automatically go there with ease. All it has to do is just to click on the link and immediately the person goes there. And it helps because it also reduces the chances of having errors when typing the email address, because the only thing the person has to do is to click on the send and immediately the person is sent to the email address without having to type it here and there. And we've also seen that without the hrefs, the anchor tag will be nothing more than a placeholder. The next one that I'm going to do, I'll add the horizontal line break to make it neater, and then I'm going to show you how to open a link in a new browser. So I'm going to add a comment to that, how to open a link in a new browser. Window. So you've seen how to link an email address. Now how can you open a link in a new browser? What does this mean? Now when I clicked on the send email, it brought out this Outlook mail. But if I want to create another email, when I want to create another link, like I use the H3 and then I create a hrefs, let me say, let's add the YouTube. I'll add YouTube site.com, then I'll say visit us on YouTube. Then I save it and then I refresh. When I do that, you see visit us on YouTube. When I click on visit us on YouTube, let's do that again. When I click it, it will take us to our YouTube site, and you can use this to link to your YouTube site. So you've seen that you can link it, but I don't want the client to leave that page. As you can see, we left this page and it refreshed this page and pulled in another page, that is the YouTube site. But I do not want it to be like that. I want the person to still see the page and still be able to visit us on YouTube so as to know where he or she is coming from. Now this is a feature that some websites add. We use the target. Now when I type target after the reference, hrefs, then we type target, then colon, then quotes, then you write underscore blank. This attribute target equals underscore blank. It's what will enable this link to open in a new browser window. Watch and see. Once I save it, then refresh, when I click on it, it opens. You see it? We still have our page. When I click on it, it takes me to another new browser window, and there the link opens to the YouTube channel. So that target underscore, please, there's no substitute for it. It's underscore, it's not hyphen. And to get the underscore, you use the press the shift and the underscore together. That's in Windows keyboard, shift and underscore. Once you've done that, you get shift and hyphen rather. Once you've clicked on the two, you get the underscore, shift and hyphen, you click them, then the underscore appears, underscore blank. This takes the link to a new browser and then it opens there. So you've seen how to link an email address, the source code reference equals mail to. From after the mail to, you can write the name of your email address. And now to open a link in the new browser is reference. You can write the name of the link, and it could be any link. It could be a channel's link, any link, and then you add a target equals the blank underscore blank. Then you write visit us on YouTube, which will make the person to click on it and then take you to another page entirely. So there, you've also seen that without that reference, this anchor tag will be nothing more than a placeholder. And I'm going to show you in our next video how to link a phone number. And you're going to see not just only how to link a phone number, but also how to link to a JavaScript code and how to link to another section of the same page. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you found value in this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and like it. You can subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this to appear. So thank you very much and have a great day. Bye!